Well, for thousands of Indians living in the United States, every working day begins with a simple goal: earn an honest living, support the entire family, and build a better future. But sometimes, a normal day at work ends in unimaginable tragedy. Well, a 52-year-old Gujarati man, Sanjay Patel, he lost his life while working at a hotel in Macron, that's in Georgia. According to local police, Sanjay Patel was unloading heavy metal gates from a truck when one of the iron gates suddenly fell on him. He suffered critical injuries and died at the scene before he could even be taken to the hospital. Police are now treating the whole incident as a workplace accident, and no criminal charges have been filed till now. Now imagine this: just another ordinary work day. A truck arrives, goods need to be unloaded. In fact, the work begins like every other day, and within seconds, everything changes forever. In the meantime, police say that Sanjay Patel, well, he died just 2 days before his 53rd birthday. And that makes this tragedy even more heartbreaking, right? Though very little is known about his family or how long he had been living in America, but one thing is certain here. Like millions of Indians abroad, he had traveled thousands of kilometers away from home just in search of a better future. Stories like these remind us that behind every immigration success story are people who work very, very hard, often in physically demanding jobs that rarely receive attention. And yes, whether somebody works in tech, healthcare, construction, or maybe hospitality industry, every worker deserves safe workplace. Well, this tragic accident has once again highlighted the importance of workplace safety and emergency preparedness, because no family should lose a loved one simply while doing their job. But our final story tonight, it's very different. It's about one of the biggest immigration fraud cases involving an Indian national in America, and now there has been another major breakthrough in that particular investigation. From a heartbreaking accident, let's now move to a case that shocked America's immigration system. For years, America's U visa program has been designed to protect genuine victims of serious crimes. It offers legal protection to immigrants who cooperate with law enforcement during criminal investigations. But according to investigators, one man allegedly turned that whole system into a massive fraud operation. Ladies and gentlemen, the latest update coming from the long-running case involving Chandrakant Patel, is also known as Lala. According to the US authorities, 4 police officers accused of helping Chandrakant Patel's alleged U-visa fraud scheme have been pleaded guilty. Investigators say that officers accepted money to create fake police reports that were later used to support fraud U-visa application. Well, Chandrakant Patel had already pleaded guilty earlier this year, and now he faces a lengthy prison sentence with heavy financial penalties, and maybe his assets are going to be taken by the US before any further deportation proceeding. Now think about how serious that case really is. America created the U-visa program to help genuine crime victims, people who truly needed protection, but investigators say that this alleged network abused that trust for years. According to prosecutors, fake robbery reports were prepared, false documents were created, and America's immigration system was allegedly manipulated for financial gains. Now, this particular case has now become one of the biggest immigration fraud investigations involving Indian nationals in recent years. It has also sent a very strong message, though. Immigration fraud may take years to uncover, but when investigators finally build their case, the consequences could be severe. Well, for genuine immigrants who follow every rule, cases like these are deeply damaging because immigration fraud creates unnecessary suspicion towards honest applicants who simply wants to build a better life. Well, for Indians who are planning to move abroad, the lesson that is very simple. Never rely on shortcuts, never trust illegal immigration agents, and never believe anybody who promises guaranteed visas through fraud methods. Because honesty remains the safest immigration strategy that you can rely on.